So we shall go with the VHDL model for multiplexer. I hope you people remember what is multiplexer. Multiplexer, in case of multiplexer, so there will be multiple inputs and one output. So which input has to be passed into the output, that will be decided by the control inputs. Okay, you come across 2:1 multiplexer, 4:1 multiplexer, 8:1, 16:1, 32:1. If we have 2:1 multiplexer, control input will be 1. If you have 4:1 multiplexer, control input will be 2. If we have 8:1 multiplexer, control input will be 3. If we have 16:1, the control input will be 4. If we have 32:1, the control input will be 5. Control inputs will be 5, right? So let me go with the 2:1 multiplexer. Look at this. This is a 2:1 multiplexer. This is a multiplexer signal, a symbol. So the control input is A, I0, I1 are the data inputs, F is the output. So whether I0 should be transmitted or I1 should be transmitted, that will be decided by A. If A is equal to 0, I0 will be transmitted. If A is equal to 1, I1 will be transmitted. So the decider is A. That's a control input. Right. If you want to represent the multiplexer with a conditional signal assignment statement, that is nothing but the data flow model. So this is how I0 will be selected when A is equal to 0, else I1 will be selected. That will be assigned to F. This is for 2:1 multiplexer. Okay. Coming with this, look at this syntax for this one. Signal name. What is the signal name here? F is the signal name. This is an assignment operator. Okay. Then this is a condition. A is equal to 1 is a condition. Signal name, there it was F. Expression 1 when condition 1 is satisfied, else expression 2 when condition 2 is satisfied, else expression n. There might be a number of else statements, right? So if that is the case, it will go like this. Okay. So look at this multiplexer. If you want to write this the code for this experiment, first it will check A. If A will be selected if E is equal to 1. A when A is equal to 1. Else it will go with a B. B will be selected when D is equal to 1. Else C. Okay, this is how you're supposed to write. Okay, this is 2:1 multiplexer. If you want come across 4:1 multiplexer, obviously 4 data inputs, 1 control input, 2 control inputs and 1 output. Okay, this is what we are A B bar, A bar B bar, A B bar, A bar B, A B. This is what 0 0 0 1. Okay, A bar B 1 0 1 1. Okay, this is what they have written. Not A, not B, because 0 0, right? So they have written not A, not B. I0 will be selected. Not A and B, I1 will be selected. A and not B, I2 will be selected. Or is because this is a plus symbol. A and B, I3 will be selected. If you want to write this in a program, as we have 2 control inputs, major dependency will be on the control inputs selection. So first you need to write the statement like A and B, whether 0 0 or 0 1 or 1 0 or 1 1. Okay, that will be assigned to select. This identifier select contains what is A and what is B. If it is 0 0 or 0 1 1 0 1 1, that depends on that will be assigned to select. Okay, with select. If it is 0 1 0, I0 will be selected when 0 0, I1 will be selected when 0 1, I2 will be selected when 1 0, I3 will be selected when 1 1. So like this. Okay, this can also be written in a different manner. This is a signal assignment statement. Okay, if you want to go with a conditional assignment statement, this can be written like this. I0 will be selected when A and B are 0 0. I1 will be selected A and B are 0 1. Else I2 will be selected when A and B are 1 0. Else I3. Okay, this is what we call as concatenated. A and B are concatenated here. Okay, so this is the expression A and B means A concatenated with B. That is, the 2 bits of A and B are merged together to form a 2-bit vector. 2 bits A and B are the 2 bits that are merged together to form a 2-bit vector. So this can also be written in a bit complex manner. So like this, I naught will be selected when A is 0 and B is 0. So you need to remember these double quotes and single quotes. These are most important. Okay, in examination, while writing your code, these quotes will also be taken into consideration, and so where the semicolon has to be used, where the colon has to be used, you need to remember those things. Okay, else I1 is A is equal to 0 is 1 1 0, like this I3. So this is a bit more complex condition. This is what we call as conditional selection statements. This was a signal assignment statement. The syntax of this is written here. Signal as expression 1. So what is the expression here? I1, I0, I1, I2, I3 are the expressions. I0, some delay when choice 1, when choice 2, when choice 3. Choice 1 is nothing but A0, 0 0 0 1 1 0, like this. This is choice 1, choice 2, like this. This is syntax. So this is how you're supposed to write and what is this? VHDL model for the multiplexer multiplexer circuits. Okay, next we go with the VHDL models. Full adder, off adder will come here.